this is just a how-to and craft that I'm going to make, and it's with Play-Doh. Today we're going to make Play-Doh cookies. So let me show you how to make this. See how can I get this so the camera will stay? Okay, now hopefully you can see that. So, what you will need was a, hold on, my camera, yeah, the iPad is stuck here. There we go. Okay, so now what you're going to need is a roller, and you're going to need a 4-pack of Play-Doh. So, turquoise, blue, green. I think this is kind of like purple-ish, pink, and purple. So the first cookie we're gonna make is we're gonna need 2 of these. We're gonna need pink and blue. So open them up. This is brand new Play-Doh. I just used them once, so it's a little hard to open. Actually, before you open the pink, just open the turquoise, because that's the first one you're going to be using. Now, take out a pretty big chunk. See? About maybe the size of this. Okay? So, once you got that, put your Play-Doh aside. And what you're going to do is just start to flatten out the cookie. And then, you might need a little bit more, but that's good size. And just flatten it out with the roller. And it does sometimes get stuck on the roller, so just pinch it out. Okay, so let's see. You've got that down just like that. Now what you're going to need to do is take your pink . Sorry about this, folks.
Come on.
I'm going to take a chunk about the size of this, and you're going to take it apart and just place it right on the cookie. Okay? Once you got it on the cookie, just make sure it's spread out. I'm only going to make a couple cookies for this because I don't really want to waste my time. But, alright, so here's your first cookie. Yummy, I wish this was real. But there's your first cookie right there. And now the second cookie is... Now, you can also you can swap the process. You can use pink and then put the blue on top. You can also do that. But now we're going to take this color. We're going to take the darkest color first, which is the purple. Open the purple. There you go. So once you got that in trouble, not in trouble, open, take out your Play-Doh. Okay, so once you got a big chunk like that, move your first cookie aside. Do this fast because that will get dried up. So kids, don't leave your cookies out too long because they will get dried up. And it's really bad if it does because you're in big trouble. Okay, so hopefully you can see that. Yeah, it's going to come out a little big, mine is, so I'm just going to... Okay, so I'm just going to peel this off the... Oops. Alright, so that's pretty much a good song of this, so just... Mine is, I think, it's just a little... So... I don't know if you know the Play-Doh song, but you don't have to know it. It's like Play-Doh, my friend knows it, but I don't really care because I just don't. Oh, so okay, so once you made your cookie, open your purple-ish, I don't even know, dark purple, I mean not dark purple, but dark, I forget the name of it, dark pink. Just place it right on the purple. Hey Riley. Just push it around. And there you go, you just made Play-Doh cookies. You can use your imagination to make any ones, but there's a couple easy ones. Bye.